In this section, we shall overview typical maintenance procedures for electrically driven angle grinders. Any power tool, after an amount of usage, should be taken out of service for a full inspection and repair procedure. Please note that repairs must only be carried out by a qualified electrician or service technician. On no account may an operator open up the electrical workings of any power tool. An operator may, however, carry out an inspection of a machine and thereafter make a report on the findings. A typical inspection consists of the following aspects: a visual inspection of the power cord, ensuring that it is not damaged, weathered, or pulling out, either at the plug or the machine. A physical inspection of the body and rear support, ensuring that fasteners are not missing and that the casing is not cracked or broken. An inspection of the wheel guard, ensuring that it is not bent, broken, or slack on its mounting. A check on the support handle to ensure that it screws in firmly and that the threads are not stripped or damaged. A check of the wheel mounting flanges to ensure that they are not damaged. The adapter nut must not show signs of being abused from hammer or punch blows or worn down. A check on the spindle bearing by feeling for any sideways movement or in and out movement, which would indicate faulty bearings. And finally, a check on the operating switch and the locking button to ensure they operate safely. If any fault is noted, then the machine should be returned to your maintenance department for repairs to be effected. To conclude this program, we would like to offer a few tips regarding the safe use and care of portable equipment. Firstly, keep your work area clean. Never use electrical equipment in wet conditions, nor in areas where there are inflammable liquids or gases. Don't allow power cords to lie over roadways or rough obstacles. If necessary, rig them overhead. Don't carry the machine by its power cord. This invites electrical mishaps and machine damage. Keep heat sources away from the machine and the power cord. Secure all loose workpieces. Never support work with your hands. This dangerous practice is very foolish. Never use a depressed center wheel for cut-off work, nor a cut-off wheel for grinding. Cut-off wheels must only be used for cutting, preferably using a proper cut-off jig. It is very important that straight cut-off wheels are mounted between unrelieved or non-dished flanges and adapters. Failure to observe this point could result in an accident due to the wheel center pulling out. Treat your equipment with respect. Careless handling will usually end up with severe machine and wheel damage, and that could mean an accident waiting to happen. Store your grinding machines in such a way that the wheel is not placed against objects. A cradle rack is an ideal storage device. Never place a machine that is still rotating onto the bench or floor. This dangerous practice has been the cause of many accidents. In effect, all that we have been telling you should be a matter of just using some common sense. We urge you to always adopt safe working habits when using portable machines. Put the ideals which this program has outlined into practice, and you can be assured that you will live to be an experienced and safe machine operator. Join us again in other Tech AV technical training programs.